this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete the messages in your Roblox inbox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app or navigate to the website of Roblox. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Now navigate to the tab Party. This is where you're gonna find all of your conversations. Now open the conversation where you wanna delete the chat. After you launch it, you're gonna find out all the messages. Inside the conversation, you won't find any option to delete any of the chat. As if right now within Roblox there is no such option. Head back. Even if you try to delete the whole conversation, you won't be able to do that. But there is a workaround. You will need to open conversation, navigate to the profile page of that person, then click on three dots and select the option of unfriend or remove. Once you remove this person from your friend list, the chat will be also deleted. At the moment, this is only the workaround, but if in the future Roblox comes up with the feature to delete chat messages, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.